Hello everyone, my name is Li Ruolin. I come from Group 1. Today I'm going to talk about the competitors and the personnel of Emirates Airlines. Firstly, I will talk about 5 years the competitors. In this PowerPoint, the operation of these 3 aircrafts showed an increasing trend during this special time. The first one is Singapore Airlines. Singapore Airlines adapted the dual strategies, which means that they not only provide the high-quality service, but also provide the lower fares. Meanwhile, the fleet of the Singapore Airlines is always young, so they can provide a satisfied travel experience for passengers. So due to these reasons, the Singapore Airlines believe that their passenger capacity will reach about 81% of pre-academic levels by December in 2022. For Air China, as we all know, the Air China is a Chinese brand, so there are lots of the equipment in the aircrafts, including Chinese and English, so it's more convenient for passengers to use them. Meanwhile, the Air China also increased lots of the international routes. Currently, Air China increased about 100 international routes from Beijing to Europe to meet the global demand. And the third one is Qatar Airways. The Qatar Airways, during this special time, they work with the governments. For example, they carried over 1 million passengers to their home and transport lots of the medical supplies. They build a strong trust with the passengers and the government. Meanwhile, the Qatar Airways also provides the advanced air filtration system in aircrafts, so that they can remove the dirty air and keep the air quality. But in this PowerPoint, the operation of the Lufthansa and British Airways showed an opposite situation. But they also have their own special operation strategies. For example, for the Lufthansa, one of the features of Lufthansa is punctuality, because they use the AI technology to collect the time data to avoid the delays. For the British Air, maybe they face a huge challenge during a special time, but they continue to be flexible with consumers by providing the vouchers for future travel for passengers and helping passengers switch dates. Meanwhile, the British Airways also invest lots of money in new aircraft cabins and food and drinks. In this part is the personnel of Emirates Airlines. Emirates Airlines want to recruit high-quality crew members who can speak different languages, and these new crew members also need to have 1 year experience working in hotel business. As the management team in the Emirates Airlines, they also provide some machines to train these new crew members how to deal with these emergency accidents. Okay, that's all. Thank you for listening my presentation.